Imagine stepping into your garden. Sunlight warms your face. A gentle breeze carries the scent of herbs. But this is no ordinary garden. Vibrant Swiss chard adds splashes of color. Tomatoes ripen on the vine. A blueberry bush bursts with juicy gems. This is an edible landscape where beauty and practicality intertwine. Gone are the days of relegating vegetables to hidden plots. Edible landscaping seamlessly blends the delicious with the delightful. Picture a pathway edged with fragrant rosemary and thyme. Imagine a fruit tree offering shade and a sweet reward. This is gardening that engages all your senses. In an edible landscape, every element serves a purpose. Vines adorned with scarlet runner beans create living screens. Apple trees provide dappled shade and a bountiful harvest. Let your imagination run wild and transform your garden into a living, edible masterpiece. This is gardening for everyone, from seasoned green thumbs to enthusiastic beginners. It's about reconnecting with nature, nurturing life, and reaping the rewards of your own backyard bounty. Edible landscaping is more than a trend. It's a way of life. It invites us to rethink our yards, transforming them into vibrant ecosystems that provide food, color, and life throughout the seasons. Imagine your garden as a place that nourishes both body and soul, where beauty and bounty grow side by side. Edible landscaping blurs the lines between ornamental and edible, weaving together the practical and the beautiful. Every corner becomes a place of discovery and delight. It's the art of designing your outdoor space to be both stunning and productive. By integrating edible plants into your landscape, you make the most of every inch. Whether you have a sprawling yard or a small urban plot, swap out ordinary shrubs for blueberry bushes or fill flower beds with a colorful mix of herbs and vegetables. Imagine the fragrance of basil and mint mingling with marigolds or tomatoes ripening among zinnias. Step outside to gather fresh ingredients for your next meal. The convenience and freshness are unmatched, and every harvest brings a sense of accomplishment. Growing your own food connects you with the land and the rhythms of nature. Edible landscapes attract bees and butterflies, enhancing biodiversity and ensuring bountiful harvests. And let's not forget the beauty. Layers of color, texture, and form make edible gardens as stunning as any ornamental space. Edible landscapes are a feast for the eyes and the palate, offering inspiration and abundance right outside your door. Before you grab your gardening gloves, take a moment to really look at your outdoor space. Whether you're a first-time gardener or a seasoned green thumb, understanding what you're working with is the first step to a successful edible garden. Every garden has its own personality, shaped by its location, size, and natural features. Taking the time to observe and make notes about your garden's unique characteristics is crucial for selecting the right plants and ensuring their success. Start by considering the amount of space you have available. Measure your area, whether it's a sprawling backyard, a cozy patio, or even just a sunny windowsill. Do you have a wide open lawn with endless possibilities, or are you working with a compact balcony in the heart of the city? Each space offers its own set of opportunities and challenges. Don't be discouraged by limited space. Even a small patio or balcony can be transformed into a thriving edible oasis with the help of raised beds, containers, and creative vertical gardening techniques. With a little ingenuity, you can grow more than you might think possible. Next, pay close attention to the amount of sunlight your garden receives throughout the day. Sunlight is one of the most important factors for plant growth, so take note of which areas get morning sun, afternoon shade, or dappled light. Most edible plants, like tomatoes, peppers, and squash, thrive in full sun, which means at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. If you have a spot that gets even more, that's even better for sun-loving crops. However, don't overlook shadier spots. Some leafy greens, such as spinach, lettuce, and many herbs, actually prefer partial shade, especially in hot climates. These plants can make the most of areas that receive less intense sunlight. Finally, it's essential to assess your soil type. Healthy soil is the foundation of a productive garden, so take a closer look at what's beneath your feet. Is your soil heavy clay that holds water, light and sandy that drains quickly, or a rich, crumbly loam that's ideal for most plants? Each type has its own strengths and weaknesses. The way your soil drains and retains nutrients will influence which plants will thrive. A simple soil test kit can provide valuable insights into your soil's pH level and nutrient content. Knowing this information helps you amend your soil and choose plants that are best suited to your conditions. Remember, every garden is unique and there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Embrace the quirks and possibilities of your space. Now comes the exciting part, selecting the edible plants that will grace your garden. This is where your creativity and personal taste truly come into play, as you get to imagine the flavors, colors, and scents that will soon fill your outdoor space. With countless varieties to choose from, the possibilities are, well, endless. From classic favorites to unique heirlooms, your options are limited only by your imagination and growing conditions. But don't be overwhelmed. Start by considering your personal preferences and your local climate. These two factors will help narrow down your choices and set you up for success. Think about the fruits, vegetables, and herbs you enjoy eating the most. Imagine harvesting your own favorites right from your backyard, and how satisfying it will be to cook with ingredients you've grown yourself. Do you crave the sweetness of ripe tomatoes, bursting with flavor and perfect for salads or sandwiches? Or maybe you love the refreshing crunch of cucumbers, ideal for summer snacks and cool drinks. Perhaps you're drawn to the aromatic flavors of basil and oregano, which can elevate any homemade dish with their fresh, vibrant notes. Choosing plants you love will make tending to your garden all the more rewarding. The anticipation of enjoying your favorite foods straight from the garden adds a special joy to every gardening task. Next, research which plants are best suited for your region's climate. This step is crucial for ensuring your garden thrives throughout the seasons. Consider factors such as average temperatures, frost dates, and rainfall patterns. These details will help you select plants that can handle your local weather and grow strong. Local nurseries and gardening centers are excellent resources for finding plants that thrive in your specific area. Don't hesitate to ask staff for recommendations or advice. They often have valuable insights. You can also explore seed catalogs and online resources to discover new varieties that might be perfect for your garden, expanding your options even further. For colder climates, consider hardy options like kale, spinach, and various root vegetables. These plants can withstand chilly temperatures and often provide harvest well into the cooler months. Warmer regions offer the opportunity to cultivate more exotic choices like citrus trees, which bring a burst of sunshine and fragrance to your garden. You might also try figs and artichokes, which thrive in milder climates and add unique flavors and textures to your harvest. Remember, diversity is key. By selecting a mix of plants with varying heights, textures, and colors, you'll not only enjoy a more interesting harvest, but also support a healthier garden ecosystem. With thoughtful choices, you can create a visually appealing and ecologically balanced edible landscape, one that's as beautiful as it is bountiful. With your plant choices made, it's time to let your inner garden designer shine. Creating a visually appealing and functional edible landscape is all about thoughtful planning and a touch of creativity. Think of your garden in layers, much like a natural ecosystem. Tall fruit trees can provide a canopy, while smaller shrubs like blueberries and raspberries form the middle layer. Ground-hugging herbs and trailing vines add texture and interest at the lowest level. Don't be afraid to experiment with shapes and forms. Create defined pathways with gravel or stepping stones to guide visitors through your edible paradise. Use trellises or arches to support climbing vines like beans and cucumbers, adding vertical interest. Color is another powerful tool in your design arsenal. Intermix plants with contrasting foliage colors, such as the deep purple of lettuce and the vibrant green of Swiss chard. Add pops of color with edible flowers like nasturtiums and calendula, which attract beneficial insects and add a touch of whimsy. Now that you have a design in mind, it's time to prepare the stage for your edible stars. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden, providing essential nutrients and support for your plants. Before planting, remove any existing weeds or grass from the area. Loosen the soil using a garden fork or tiller, breaking up any compacted areas. This allows roots to penetrate easily and promotes good drainage. Next, enrich the soil with organic matter such as compost or well-rotted manure. This improves soil structure, water retention, and nutrient content, creating an ideal environment for your plants to thrive. Once your plants are in the ground, it's time to apply a layer of mulch around their base. Mulch helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature, reducing stress on your plants. Organic mulches like wood chips, straw, or shredded leaves also break down over time, adding beneficial nutrients to the soil. Just like us, plants need a regular supply of water to thrive. However, the amount and frequency of watering will vary depending on your climate, soil type, and the specific needs of your plants. As a general rule, it's best to water deeply and less frequently. This encourages roots to grow deeper into the soil, making them more resilient during dry periods. Water early in the morning to minimize evaporation and allow foliage to dry before nightfall, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Regular weeding is crucial to prevent unwanted competition for nutrients and water. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, taking prompt action if necessary. Natural pest control methods, such as companion planting and introducing beneficial insects, can help keep your garden healthy and balanced. Throughout the growing season, continue to nourish your plants with organic fertilizers or compost tea. This provides them with the nutrients they need to produce an abundant harvest.